I tried 5 AI side hustles. Which one paid the most? There are hundreds of AI side hustles online right now, but the real question is, which one actually makes money? So I decided to test 5 different AI side hustles and see which one pays the most. No theory, no guessing, just real results. And honestly, some of these surprised me. Let's start. Side hustle 1. AI content writing. This is one of the most popular methods. I used AI to create blog posts, captions, and simple content. Then I offered it as a service. Result? It worked, but slowly. It takes time to get clients. Good for beginners, but not the fastest. Side hustle 2. AI thumbnail design. Next, I tried creating thumbnails using AI tools. This was interesting, because content creators always need thumbnails. And with the right design, this can sell fast. Result? Better than expected. Faster responses compared to content writing. Side hustle 3. AI voiceover services. Then I tested AI voice generation. I created voiceovers for videos and short content. This method is simple and requires almost no skill. Result? Low competition, but fewer clients. Still, it has potential. Side hustle 4. AI social media management. This one is powerful. I used AI to create posts, captions, and manage content ideas. Then offered it to small pages. Result? Very strong. Businesses are willing to pay for this. But it needs consistency. Side hustle 5. AI image generation. Finally, I tested AI image creation. Logos, social media posts, and simple designs. Result? Fast results. People love visuals. And this can bring quick small payments. So, which one paid the most? After testing all 5, the winner was AI social media management. Because it has recurring income potential. Not just one-time payments. But here's the truth. Every method works. If you stay consistent. What I learned. You don't need to try everything. Pick one. Focus on it. And improve daily. That's how you actually make money. Final thoughts. AI is not magic. It's a tool. The real difference is your action. If you stay consistent, you can turn any of these side hustles into real income. Subscribe for more real AI experiments and online income strategies. See you in the next video.